International Career Support Association has the floor.
Thank you, Madam Vice President. The Japanese government invites Chinese President Xi Jinping to Japan as a state guest upon China's request. The Chinese government has trampled upon the people's right of self-determination in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, better known as East Turkistan. Also in Tibet, South Mongolia and other ethnic minorities. It's being reported within the Uyghur region, the Chinese government forcibly detains more than 1 million Uyghurs in the concentration camps and is undertaking a policy of ethnic cleansing. Currently in Hong Kong, the Chinese government oppressed democratic movement. Around 15 Japanese are unlawfully in custody within China on charge of allegedly spying. Under these circumstances, if the Japanese government invites Chinese president as a state guest and shake hands with the Japanese emperor, it will be a wrong message to the international society. Japan won't tolerate utter disregard of human rights. We request the Council to recommend the Japanese government to cancel the invitation of Chinese President Xi Jinping as a state guest, which he is not welcomed by Japanese people. We also request the Council to recommend the Chinese government. 1. The Chinese government should duly observe the ICERD and faithfully fulfill the recommendation made by the Committee on the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. 2. Release 15 Japanese people detained unlawfully. 3. Release Uyghur people who are detained in the concentration camps immediately. Madam Vice President, do you think over 1 million Uyghurs committed crime? Are they terrorists? We don't think so. I thank you very much, Madam Vice President.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.